Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to create parent templates for child templates. In the previous videos I have created two HTML pages. One is details.html, this one. The other is all members.html. So now I am going to create a parent template for both these child templates. Like this. This is my parent templates, master.html, okay? And these are my child templates, all members.html and details.html. So the child templates have created already. If you look at this, all members.html and details.html. So now I am going to create one other HTML page with name master.html, which will be the parent templates of both these templates, details.html and all members.html. okay, take a new file with name master.html. There are 2 points that should be remembered about the master.html. The master.html page is the parent template of all members.html and details.html. The second point is this master template should be used for the HTML codes which are same in both of these HTML pages, all members HTML page and details.html page. Look at this. This is my master.html page, which is the parent HTML page, and these are my child HTML pages, all members.html and details.html. okay, there are 3 HTML pages. One is the master.html, which is called the parent HTML page, and the last 2 ones are the child HTML pages, which is called details.html and members.html. If you look at master.html page, there are 2 spaces and 2 areas. One is the title block and the other is block content. These are the space or areas which is used by child templates, okay, like all members.html and details.html. Here we used master.html as extend keyword, okay, master.html as extend keyword here, master.html, and the title block is used by child templates here. If you look at this, and the block content is used for child table here. On the other hand, the master template is extended to details.html, and this block is used here by details.html, and the body is well, okay. Here I have created 2 HTML templates, all members.html and details.html. So I want to add one other template with name master.html. Master.html. So I want the master.html should be the parent of these all members.html and details.html templates. So in the master.html page, I want to add some HTML codes, okay. I want to add 2 blocks, one for title, the other for body. And the other for body. So now I want this all members.html and details.html for master.html to modify, okay. I want this extra HTML code to be removed. Block title and black. Black content and black. My new project list of all members. Insert this code from here and paste it. And remove the HTML code. Then save it. Modify the details.html as well. Black title and black. Black content and black. Details about. Copy this code. Create this code from here. And paste in the black content. Then remove the HTML code. Then save it. One point should be remember here. We have to extend master template. Extends master.html here and details.html as well.
الصداقة لا يجب لا يجب الكافي.
So now I want to modify 404 error. For example, if I type something which is incorrect, means page not found error. So I want this page to customize by user. Then members, okay, page, go to the template folder, take a new file, 404.html. Django has built-in view for handling 404 error. The page you requested not found. So I want this error into my custom message. The page you have requested not found. Okay, then save it. Then we get to the setting file of the project. Let's here historic. Then convert it from true to false. Then save it. Run the server again. The page you have requested not found. So if you like this video, then subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.